This is our 11 by 30 Clausing-Colchester gearhead engine lathe. It's a model Colchester 11. 11-inch swing, 30-inch centers. It has a 5C collet closer, a Pratt burner 3-jaw chuck, live center drill chuck, nose pieces here for the collet closer. Also, the few change gears that you need, we do have. Machine runs well. Bring it on for you. Forward. Foot brake, reverse, foot brake, half nut, carriage, cross, go to a couple different speeds. Slower. This is our 11 by 30 inch Clausing-Colchester that's wired 220 volt, 3-phase. Ways are very nice. The carriage compound, there's no bumps. Machine is ready to go. Thank you.